Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how I meal prep for my sauces, my stews, my jollof rice, the base. So kindly like my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and let's get down to learning how to reduce our cooking and kitchen time by at least 30 minutes or 30%. So here I have some onions, some Scotch Bonnet, some bell pepper, some Tatashe, and some tomatoes, and I'm going to steam this up for about 5 minutes. Now you do not need to add water because the tomatoes in itself, once it starts to steam, will release its water, and then I'm going to blend it up. You can actually cook it for about 10 minutes, but I do mine for 5 minutes because I'm still going to fry it when I'm making my stew or my jollof rice, whichever sauce I want to use it for. And then once you blend it, you will notice that the consistency is smoother as compared to if you had actually just blended it raw. And then I'm going to transfer it into my storage bowl and I'm going to freeze it up once it's cool. And then I bring it out whenever I need to make my stew or my jollof rice. I allow it to thaw. Now for my quartz blend, I will be using my food processor chop blade. Now depending on the type of sauces I'm going to make, I have about 3 different types of quartz blends that I actually do. For this one, I'm having some bell peppers, some tomatoes, and some onions, and I'm going to blaze that up until I get the consistency that I'm looking for, just like this. Like I did with my smooth blend, I'll be transferring it into my storage bowl and I'll be freezing it to when I need to use it. Now if I'm making, like, let's say a fish sauce or an fada sauce, I'll be using green peppers, some onions, and some Scotch bonnet, just like this. Only peppers, no tomatoes, and then I'll blaze that up as well like this. Now there are days I'm looking for some smoky effect, so I tend to like grill my bell peppers and my chilies on top of the stove. You can also use your oven, and when I do this, I do not boil them basically, so I just blaze that up or add it into the tomato mix I want to use for my stew base, my smooth blend. And that's about it, guys. Like, can you see how easy it is? So thank you for going on this journey with me. Until next time.